for your consideration is this gorgeous Roland Jupiter 6 in fully restored condition. We did quite a lot of this, a lot of work to this unit. Each one of these faders has been reconditioned and we replaced the neoprene dust shield underneath. What's pretty rare about this unit is usually when you buy these used, these are really scrapey and horrible if they haven't been replaced. So every one of these moves smooth like butter. All the pots have been reconditioned, no jumps or scratchiness in any of them. All the buttons are really nice. This one seems to have escaped UV damage, which you often see on these button caps. As you can see, the keyboard's lovely and shiny. It's a really good example of a Jupiter 6. I'm not going to do audio demos. You can go and watch loads of those on YouTube if you want. Come around and have a quick look at the back. But yeah, this unit's a really nice solid unit and it's available for immediate shipment. There's very minimal damage to the case, a couple of pretty inconsequential scrapes or just nicks, but there's no dents or anything like that, and really the only scratch that I can see is this little tiny piece here where I'll show you with my finger. There's a little tiny mark here that just cuts into the screen print a little bit, and a little mark here. Other than that, this is a really nice minty unit.